Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel No Farm Farmhouse. In today's video, we are going to do a little tidy up in our master bedroom, and I'm going to be switching a couple things around. I had this dresser over here, y'all remember, but it's kind of too big and it just didn't look right, so I have some nightstands I'm going to be taking out of the living room and adding in here, and we're just going to do a little refresh. This room gets neglected because we come in here and just throw everything in here. I'm going to do a little panoramic view. But yeah, right here we just had a big mirror, so I put that there. It's kind of cluttered, but it's gonna work. Then right here we just have some stuff that I'm getting out, moving out of here. Do a little circle. This is all my pocketbooks. Gotta declutter them. All right, so like I said, nothing major. We're just gonna be putting in some nightstands, some new lamps, doing a little freshen up. Might add some different curtains. Guys, does anybody know how to fix this little ripple in the carpet? I think you can kind of pick it up over here and pull, but that gets on my nerves like crazy. That happened when we put this new bed in. When we took the old one out, it kind of rippled up. Anyway, any suggestions would be appreciated. All right, let's get started. All right, y'all, so if you watch my videos, you know that I have kind of the farmhouse vibes, and we're kind of moving into the Nancy Meyers vibes. If you don't know who that is, Google it. It's the creator of some of the movies, Something's Gotta Give, The Parent Trap, kind of like that aesthetic. I really like it. Anyway, so we're getting ready to move this. Go back and watch that video from last week. I did a house tour. I didn't show the bedroom because it was a mess, and we're working on it, but getting ready to move this out of here and add the big white ones that are in my living room, and then we're gonna figure out something for in there. But yeah, it's looking better already. I love not seeing that big dresser there. Made it dark in here. We still have a mess. Look at this, guys. Ay, ay, ay. I also want to get a new rug. This one's just too small. It doesn't look right. I want one that goes under the bed, like, and comes out. Maybe that'll help hide that until I figure out that situation. And we need a designated spot for this, our treadmill, and his weights. Maybe we'll stick them over there. I had my treadmill right here in front of the window so I could just walk in the mornings. I don't know. It kind of looks cluttered, about maybe in front of the bed. We'll figure something out. Let's just get these nightstands in here. Oh, real fast, I want to show you this. So I got this mirror from the thrift store. It's like wicker. Y'all know I love me some wicker. Use a mess. This one with the wicker. But we'll see. We'll see if Charles will help me. Alright, let's get the nightstands in here and then we'll start cleaning. Getting it decorated. But yeah, so far it's looking better. Y'all probably saw this. This is my little rig. Tripod broke, so I needed it higher. Got my little zero sugar Monster Energy. Okay guys, so I found a rug at my mom's house. We used to have it in the living room, but we're going to be getting rid of this one. Add the green one. We're going to put it a little bit under the bed. Hopefully it's not too much green.
And hopefully it'll fit. Hey guys!
Do y'all remember this rug?
Do you remember this guy?
But yeah, it's been at my mom's house, so we're going to add it. Okay, y'all, so that was a little bit harder than we thought. We ended up having to take the mattresses off because these little slats.
Look at the stress. Yeah, we thought we could just pick one side up and slide it under, but we actually had to take the whole bed apart.
But look how pretty.
Yep.
I don't think it's too much green. We'll see in the end, though. We tried to get everything perfect, so it's looking pretty good.
I do like the green, though. It kind of matches the wall pretty good.
Yeah, one day I want to paint these walls white, but for now, it matches. Everything's matching.
Where we get this mattress or the bed from? Remember?
Maybe Amazon. I think the bed looks a little bit crooked now.
I'm doing the same thing.
Nothing's ever easy, guys. Oh, don't wrinkle the rug.
There we go.
That's perfect.
Boom. All right, we gotta put this mattress and stuff back together. Y'all stay tuned. She's gonna finish cleaning.
And I'm gonna do my thing.
Do what thing?
Y'all remember that big wrinkle? It's gone.
What big wrinkle?
Exactly. While he's adding that other little dresser in here, I want to show y'all these. I just picked these up at Goodwill. Hold on. I had to put some down. So a little trinket. Why is there a dirty sock? So a little trinket box, 99¢. Look how cute. Then I found these little vintage perfume bottles.
Dave, you must be tired because you've been running through my mind all day.
Yes, sir. But yeah, Goodwill. And my daughter found this at Goodwill the other day. Excuse me. Look, it's got all these little puppies on it.
And I found these at Goodwill too.
Yes, you did. All right.
It was a Thursday night when I first saw you. Those green eyes caught me. Yeah, it was crazy. It was a Friday night when I first kissed you. It struck me like lightning. You broke my chains and released me. And days turn into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. Every day, yeah, every day, babe. Used to be scared of letting someone get close without the filters, but you see the real me. Since I let you in under my skin, I'm more free than I have ever been. You broke my chains and released me, and days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day.
Okay guys, before we get into the reveal, I want to show y'all something I do every fall. It's like 80 degrees outside today. It feels so good, so I decided to do this to make my house smell really good. Just cut up some oranges and some lemons, add a little bit of rosemary, turn it on the stove, boil it. When it starts to boil, just cut it down, let it simmer, and your whole house will smell so good. You can also add a little bit of vanilla, that helps too. But yeah, give this a try. You're going to love it.
Yeah, every day, babe. And days turned into nights on the couch. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day.